Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Dahlia, and for today's makeup tutorial I wanted to do this blue and orange makeup look with a wing. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, please keep watching. So to start off the eyeshadow look, I used my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I used this to act as a eyeshadow primer, and then I just blended it out with my beauty blender. Next, I took this fluffier brush from my Morphe collection, and I used this shade, which is kind of like a cream color, and I applied it all over the lid. I did this because I wanted my lids to have all the same Next, I used this shade as a transition shade, and I used my blending brush from Morphe to really blend this out properly in the crease. I used this next shade to go on top of the first shade that we used, and I used the exact same brush to go over top. So as you can see here, I just slowly built the intensity, and I made sure to really blend everything out so that it looked seamless. Using this more precise blending brush, I took the color Tahine from the Kaleidoscope palette, and I just applied this to the crease below the first two shades that we used, and I just took my time to blend this out. Then I took the first brush we used, and I just blended the three colors together to make everything look even more seamless because I didn't want any harsh edges. Next, taking the shade TRM from the Kaleidoscope palette, I used this Quo brush, which is sort of like a blending brush, and I applied this all over my lid, but I made sure not to go too much into the crease. Then I used my blue eyeliner from Sephora. I'll list the name down below in the description box, and I just used this on my lower waterline. Using the shade LCW, which is a really nice teal color, I used an angled brush to apply this over top of the eyeliner from Sephora, and this really sets the eyeliner in place, and it also intensifies the eye look. Using the Kat Von D liquid eyeliner, I use this to apply a wing. After using this, I realized that I'm a lot better using my NYC liquid liner. I'm not used to this one, but it turned out alright. It's just I find using a felt tip for me personally is a little bit more difficult. Next, I applied just a small coat of Clinique mascara to my top and bottom lashes, and then I applied some false lashes. So since the eye look is done, we're moving on to the face. So first I applied my Clinique moisturizing cream because I really wanted my skin to be hydrated and smooth before I applied my foundation and everything else. Next I applied my Maybelline SuperStay foundation, and if you guys want to check it out, I also have a foundation review on this foundation on my channel. I really like this foundation because it is full coverage, and I think that it really blends out really nicely on the skin. Next, using the same Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, I'm just going to apply some underneath my eyes, on my nose, my chin, and a little bit to my forehead, and I'm just going to blend this out using my Beauty Blender. And to set this all in place, I'm using Patrick's powder in collaboration with MAC, and I'm just going to apply a little bit on my Beauty Blender and lightly tap this into the areas where I applied concealer. To bronze up my face, I'm using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer, and I'm just going to apply some where the light would hit my face. So basically, I like to apply my bronzer on my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline, and a little bit on my nose as well. Next, to add a flush of color to my cheeks, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. And I'm just going to blend this out into my hairline as well. I think it really ties the look together when it all seems blended. Using my favorite lip gloss, it's from Buxom in the shade Sandy. I'm going to apply this to my lips to have a more plump and glossy look to my lips. I didn't want to apply a dark shade because I think that there's a lot going on the eyes that I didn't want to take away from that with a bold lip color. So I just used a very subtle gloss with a lot of high shine. Taking my MAC Fix Plus in the scent Coconut, I'm going to shake this and apply about 6 sprays to my whole face. And I do this with my hands because I like to dry in the Fix Plus into my skin. And then lastly, I like to, of course, highlight my face. So I'm just using this Becca Skin Perfector illuminator, and I'm just going to blend this out with my Beauty Blender. It's such a nice glow. I really, really love this. It's one of my favorite products. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Like I said, it's very colorful, it's very fun. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys, so I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please leave me some comments down below. Let me know what your favorite eyeshadow palettes are, and I'll see you on the next video.